A very good morning to all of you. So today we learn about stacked bar plot. Okay, so first of all, what is a stacked bar plot? So stacked bar plot is a type of bar graph that represents the proportional contribution of individual data points in comparison to the total data points. Okay, so in this video, we will learn first about the basic stack bar plot, how to make the basic stack bar plot. Okay, then we have taken one data set, and in that data set we have tried to make the stacked bar plot. Okay, so let's take the example first. So we have created an example data frame. In that the data frame is like this. On one is the category. Okay, then we have A, B, C, D, four features are there. So we are making the stacked bar plot for this particular data frame. For making the stacked bar plot, we have to just write the name of the data frame dot plot. Okay, then we have to write it kind equals to bar. We have to pass the parameter kind equals to bar and stacked equals to true. So if when you will write stacked equals to true, it will create a stacked bar plot. So you can see that in for category 1, this is the stacked bar plot, and four different features are represented by four different colors. So it is stacked bar plot is very useful in reading the proportion like this. In you can see that for category 2, yellow color, that is B feature is more, right? For this particular category 4, red feature is more, right? D red is more, that is D is more, right? So like that we can read the proportion that which particular category is more for particular, we can say that for particular category, right? So in this way we can make the stacked bar plot for reading the proportion of the features. Okay, what is the proportional of the feature? So this is the basic of the stacked bar plot. So what next we have done, we have taken a tips data set, that is an inbuilt data set in Seaborn library. The tips data set has these features. So based on the sex, smoker, day, time and size of the family, what is the total bill and total tip is paid by that particular family. Okay, so this is the data set. So for getting this, we have created a pivot table. We have done the aggregation for that using pivot table. Okay, so we have taken the columns total bill, day and time. So this pivot table is created like this. So on Thursday, average total bill on for lunch was $17.66. Average total bill on Thursday for dinner is $18.78. Like this, average bill is there for each and every day and time. Okay, so we'll create the stacked bar plot for this particular pivot table. Okay, so we can write like pivot dot plot dot bar stacked equals to true. We can pass the color parameter and we can pass the size parameter. Okay, so we can see that on Friday, red, that is dinner, there was more total bill was there, more total bill was there, average bill is more, right? We can see on Thursday, approximately equal is there for lunch and dinner both. For Saturday and Sunday, there is no lunch. Okay, no bill on lunch is created. Okay, so like that we can read the stacked bar plot very easily. If you want to make the stacked bar plot horizontally, just pass like bar h, so we'll get a horizontal stacked bar plot. Okay, so this is all about the basics of stacked bar plot. It is very useful to read when you have many categorical features. So we'll explore more on this. Till then, bye bye.